Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 30 Neo. In this video I will show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, manage your passes, and add different types of cards like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. From menu you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. In participating banks, you can check full list of banks participating in Google Pay. Next you can manage your passwords, data in wallet, like payments data and passes data. And in wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable or review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.